Bonjour, mes amis. I am here in France, as you can see, and behind me is this magnificent Sleeping Beauty. It's just a magnificent chateau with lots of history. Inside you will find lots of art and beautiful decorated rooms. Breakfast is served in the morning in the large kitchen, very cozy. And the rooms themselves are, well, they're not rooms, they're suites, very large, very traditional and functional bathrooms. If you like, you can ask to have dinner here as well. We didn't, so I can't say how it was, but it did really smell nice when we came home. Otherwise, you can go to one of the nearby villages. They have some really, really nice restaurants. So, all I can say now is I hope you enjoy our France trip, and I'll be seeing you around, and all the details, as always, on designandtravel.guide.